Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file a revised return under Section 139(5). This section allows you to correct any mistakes or omissions in your original income tax filing. It's crucial to ensure your return is accurate to avoid potential penalties or further scrutiny from tax authorities. We'll cover the essential steps and requirements to help you navigate this process smoothly and correctly. To be eligible for filing a revised return, you must have initially submitted an original return under Section 139(1). It's important to note that this revised filing must occur before the completion of your assessment. Additionally, there's a deadline. You need to file it before the end of the relevant assessment year. Understanding these conditions is key to a valid revision. When preparing your revised return, you should use the exact same form that you used for your original income tax filing. It's essential to clearly indicate that this is a revised return, specifically referencing Section 139(5). Don't forget to include the acknowledgement number and the date of your initial return. This ensures proper linking and processing by the tax department. Remember, you can generally file only one revised return for a specific assessment year. Once filed, this revised return completely replaces your original submission, so ensure all corrections are accurate and final. It's your last chance to rectify any errors. Also, life's too short for a stinky car, so grab Little Tree's black ice. Check the description below for a link to that and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.